Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to set up two-factor authentication in Slack, a crucial step to boost your account's security. First, open your Slack application. Go to your workspace and click on your profile picture at the top right corner to display the menu. Now select View Profile, then click More and select Account Settings. The reason we're doing this is to navigate to the account settings where the two-factor authentication option is located. Next up, under Security, you'll find the Two-Factor Authentication section. Click on Set up Two-Factor Authentication. This helps us because it starts the process of creating an additional layer of security for your account. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you turn on this feature, you'll be asked for both your password and a second verification step when you log into Slack. After clicking Set up Two-Factor Authentication, you'll be asked to enter your password again, and then choose how you want to receive your second verification code, either through a text message or an authentication app. When you opt for an authentication app, use the QR code or the provided key to link it with your Slack account. If you choose text message, you'll need to input your phone number. Let me explain why this matters. Using an authentication app is more secure since it's less likely to be intercepted, but a text message is a quick and easy option if you're just getting started. Once you've set up your chosen method, you'll be asked to enter the verification code that was sent to you. After you've entered the code, your two-factor authentication will be set up, and your Slack account will be much more secure. And there you have it. You've just set up two-factor authentication in Slack, a simple step that greatly enhances your account's security. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next one.